Hello, I'm Jackie Broussard, and I wanted to give you a tip today so that you would have a little piece of our proven process for growth. We have this process called the Great Ideas process, and what it does is it shows people new ways and new innovations and completely new ideas they never thought about from the perspective of the customer or their supporter or the client. And we teach our clients and show them ways that they can learn how to exponentially grow their business by working together. And many times a lot of people talk about how they can have a global perspective. So I want to give you one tip that you can use today immediately to show you new innovations about getting ready for positive growth. And this is from our Great Ideas process that we've used since 1993. Here is the tip. Focus on a bigger picture. Look at things bigger than yourself. When you think about this example, today I'm here at Bay City ISD and we just spoke with the superintendent of the school, and he talked about how his job was thinking beyond just the students. It's for the teachers, it's for the community, it's for those people, the extended families. And he sees himself as a leader from that perspective. When you talk about and think about yourself as that type of leader, it attracts new opportunities to you. Now specifically, what do I mean by new opportunities? I mean ways to grow, ways to get bigger contracts, ways to get new forms of funding coming to you. And don't we all need that right now? We all want a different perspective right now. So our gift to you is to today focus on how you can make a bigger difference for your overall community. And how I define community is the people you work with. If you're a business like us, a small business, we think about how can we make a difference for our clients. If you are a person that wants to start a business, who is the person you really want to make a bigger difference for beyond yourself? Because just focusing on yourself is not enough anymore. The third thing is, what if you're a healthcare organization and you want to form a healthcare network and get ready for health reform? Well, what you do is consider the overall health of the community. Consider what you can do to make an impact there, a difference, something that's measurable and something that really brings you passion. So that's the first tip today. And I would encourage you to go out there and start to consider that. And you know how you could test that? You could ask people that actually have value for this. Not your friends, not your next door neighbor, and not even your spouse. I mean, I know sometimes they can have great advice for you. However, in this situation, they probably are not going to be the person that sees you in the most valuable light. The person that can write you a check, that can fund your project, that can fund a bigger project. Go out and ask this question from someone that actually could be a partner with you and could fund the project. And I'll give you a quick example of how this tip works. We're working with a client that traditionally only thought of working with other nonprofits. They're a nonprofit. For them, we brought this concept of working with people they saw as the enemy or people they would never work with, like people in law enforcement, the county judge. They're also, this nonprofit is working with people who are large employers, some of the largest employers in the state. Well, when they came together, they started asking questions and they got a much bigger vision of themselves. So they have grown, actually by more than 300%. They've seen new opportunities, and they've helped other people start up new concepts by being open to a bigger picture of what they could do for the overall community. So that's what I would encourage you today. Hold a positive vision and see yourself part of a bigger picture. That is the great idea for the day. Thank you very much. It's Jackie Broussard, and I hope that you enjoy our site. If you want to know more, call us, email us. We'd like to talk with you about it, or we can correspond with you on email. Thank you so much. Have a great day.